Hey everybody, this is Bill, and here's the weekly wrap-up for the week of January the 9th. Pretty crappy trading this week. We only did one trade, and it was a scratch trade. It was the long on Thursday, SIRO. Took a tiny loss there. The rest of the week, the force was not with us. So I guess the moral of the story is better not to trade than to trade badly. Anyway, let's look at the rest of the market. Looking at the futures, the British pound has resumed its downward sloping trend. It's at the bottom of the Keltner channel now, and continuing to go down. It has broken out of the dead zone during the week. Same with the euro, heading in that particular direction. The yen has popped up to the upper Keltner channel and is sort of in a sideways trend there. Be very careful with this. The government does regulate the yen now, so it could very precipitously drop if it gets too high based on their intervention. If you look at the U.S. markets here, the S&P, the Russell, and the Dow are all at their upper Keltner channel, and we have signals here, tidal wave signals to the downside. So I would suspect that next week we are going to see a move to the downside, a little bit of a correction. That would be my prediction. Look at gold and silver. They have both popped up this week to their upper Keltner channel, so no matter how hard the man tries to keep them down, the peeps know that this is the real store of true wealth. Okay, let's look at the crazy eights. Looks like Google has come back down to earth a little bit, dropped down to its lower Keltner channel. Baidu has popped up to the upper Keltner channel. Netflix, this is some tax loss selling activity here. People sell this stock at the end to get a tax advantage and then buy it back after the first of the year. So I think a lot of this is the people, the institutions buying it back, and I don't expect this to last for a long time. Almost identical situation with Apple and with RIM. If you remember prior to this, the RIM was in a death spiral, and so was Netflix. I expect them to resume that unless something significantly changes in their business model. And then Cisco and Oracle are in a sideways trend, and looks like Amazon is also in a consolidation. So that's it for the market update, and let's move on to Monday's picks. Hey everybody, this is Bill, and here are your picks for Monday the 16th. Your long pick is WRI William Roger Indigo. I'm going to set my stop at the middle Keltner channel, which is 2188, and I'm going to set my profit target for the upper Keltner, which is 2265. Your short pick is GME, George Marvin Edgar. I am going to set my stop for the middle Keltner channel again, 2396, and set my profit target for the lower Keltner channel, which is 2298. That's it for now. Good luck, and talk to you again tomorrow.